Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025. And now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 25th of April, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.41. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.88%. This results in an average return of 0.48% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative 12.86% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 27.09% to negative 12.86%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 7.60%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 5.05% to 18.17% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $494.40 and $615.32. Our latest daily update for VOO features the headline, VOO ETF price ended at $520.71 on Friday, after gaining 1.43%. The VOO ETF price increased by 1.43% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, rising from $513.35 to $520.71. It has now gained for 9 consecutive days. Such prolonged gains for an ETF are uncommon, and minor declines should be anticipated. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.33%, with a low of $515.53 and a high of $522.41. The price has increased in 9 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.64% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume also rose on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 696,000 more shares traded than the day prior. In total, 6 million shares were exchanged for approximately $3.19 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price stands 7.66%, or $43.19, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 celebrated a significant milestone, achieving its longest winning streak in over 20 years, with gains for 9 consecutive days, culminating in a rise of 2.9% this week. This bullish trend suggests a robust market sentiment, positively impacting exchange-traded funds like VOO, which track the S&P 500. A recent strong jobs report has alleviated economic concerns and further fueled investor confidence, reflecting a growing belief in the current economic resilience. The surprising 7% upside in earnings per share for the first quarter of 2025 reinforces the overall positive sentiment in the market, even as revenue growth remains modest at just 0.9%. This combination of factors is contributing to a bullish outlook for VOO in the short term, possibly driving up demand and price as investors look to capitalize on the momentum. However, volatility could arise if uncertainties emerge, reminding investors to remain cautious despite the current optimism. In the long term, if these trends continue, VOO could potentially reach new highs, particularly if macroeconomic indicators remain favorable and earnings growth sustains its upward trajectory. The recent performance sets a strong foundation, suggesting that continued strength could attract more inflows into VOO. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Today, the chart presents mostly positive signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal arising from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $509.75 and $503.06. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and since then, the price has increased by 14%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, observed 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands, buy signal, noted 18 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, indicated 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, identified 3 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, marked 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, flagged 47 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, detected 39 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $499.10. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $6.88 between its high and low, representing a change of 1.33%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 1.60%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $529.39. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO faces its first support level at $499.10. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $495.93, which reflects a decline of 4.76%. This exchange-traded fund experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 17 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals appear to be positive. Despite the ETF currently experiencing a downward trend, we conclude that this level may present a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we expect VOO to open lower by $1.16, starting at $519.55. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.